My name is Rita Wilson, September KSC Mechanical Engineering Department. I'm going to elaborate how to make a biomedical engineering workshop maintenance schedule. And this is how this is done. We will start with the machines. And under machines, we will do including centrifuge and autoclave. We'll deal with preventive maintenance, that's cleaning, lubricating, and calibrating, or inspection of wear and tear. For cleaning, we do it monthly, that is, we will mark monthly, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, and so on and so on. For lubrication, we do it 3 months. After 3 months, that's when we do our lubrication on January. We'll do it again after 3 months, that is May, and another after 3 months, that is on September. For calibrating, we'll do it after 6 months, that's when we will do it maybe on July, and then after the next we will do it after 6 months. For inspection of wear and tear, we do it after 3 months, that's, let's see, when we do it on April, we will do it on August. And then we go to corrective maintenance. This is troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is normally done after 3 months. Let's say we did our troubleshooting on January, we will do it again on May and September, and so on. For repair of fault machines, this is done as needed, whether the machine or the equipment we are going to need is fault. Then we will do it. Maybe we repair any fault machine maybe on March, depending on the time the machine got fault. Maybe on June again. Then we go for diagnostic tools. This is examples of diagnostic tools like oscilloscopes and many others. We will start with preventive maintenance. On preventive maintenance, we will check the calibration. Checking of calibration is done after 6 months. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. And then checking of electrical safety, we do it after 6 months. That's July again. Then we go to corrective maintenance, replacing of probes or gods which are fault. This is, we do it as needed. Maybe we did it on January, or maybe we repair our probe when it is fault, maybe on July. Replacing components which are fault, this is also done as needed. Maybe we say our components were replaced on April, or September, according to the way they were fault. Then we go to floors. The floors, we will start with preventive maintenance. This is the cleaning and disinfection. This is done monthly. Now we did it on January. We will do it February, March, April, and so on and so on. Checking for cracks, we will do it monthly again. This is January, February, March, August, Then on anti-slip colored paint, we will do it. This we cannot color the floor every day or monthly. We will do it after 3 months. Let's say we did it on January. After 3 months, we will do January, February, March, April. We'll do it on May, and so on. The corrective maintenance, repair of tiles. Wherever the tiles are faulty or they are cracked, we repair depending on the time they need repair. Maybe January and another June, depending on the condition of the floor. Repaint of safety marks. This is done as needed. Maybe we'll do it on April, once in a year. Then we come to our lighting. We'll start on lighting. We will again begin with preventive maintenance, checking all lights. This is done monthly, January, February, March, April, May, and so on. Replacing of dim bulbs as needed. Maybe any bulb got dim, then we repair. Maybe on April or maybe on June, depending on the time the bulb went dim. The next part is corrective maintenance on the lighting system. We repair faulty switches and fixtures. This is as needed, depending on the time these switches went fault. Let's say it went fault on March, again on August, and so on. Repair of fault power sockets. This is also done as needed. Whenever the power socket is fault, we repair or replace. Let's check, for example, it got fault on September. Then we go to ventilation and air conditioning. We'll start with preventive maintenance. Here we clean the air filters. This is done once in a month. Maybe we did it on January. We'll do it again after another month, that is March. We'll do it after another month, that is May, and so on and so on. Test of airflow. This is normally done after 6 months. Maybe we did it on January, after another 6 months, that is February, March, April, May, June, July, August. We will do it on September. Checking of fans and AC units. This is normally done after 3 months. Let's say we check our fans on April. Then after another 3 months, 1, 2, 3, we will check our fans and AC unit. The corrective maintenance on ventilation and air conditioning will repair malfunctioning of AC units or fans. This is done as needed. Corrective maintenance is done as needed. Maybe our ventilation was not functioning on January. We will do it on January, or maybe June, depending on the time the ventilation is not working. Then after that, we are done with the ventilation. We will go to electrical power system. And the electrical power system will start with preventive maintenance, that is checking of outlets. This is normally done after 6 months. Maybe we did it on January. And then after another 6 months, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will check our outlets. Then checking of circuit breakers. This is normally done even after 6 months. Let's say we did it on January, we will do it on August. Checking of UPS systems. This is normally done after 3 months. 1, 2, 3, after another 3 months we do it. 1, 2, 3, after another 3 months we do it. Then the corrective maintenance under electrical power system, replacing of blown fuses. This is done as needed. Maybe our fuses got blown on March and again on August. We will do it as needed. Replacing fault sockets. We will also do it as needed. Maybe our fault socket got fault on February and again on May. We are done with our maintenance schedule. Thank you.